Welcome to the English for Medical Sciences course. We are thrilled to have you on board as we embark on this exciting learning journey. This course is designed to equip you with essential language skills, strategies, and the confidence needed to excel in medical contexts and standardized English tests. Whether you aim for academic success or seek to enhance your professional communication in healthcare, you will gain the tools to thrive. Throughout the course, we will cover core topics while strengthening your abilities in speaking, reading, listening, writing, and grammar, all tailored specifically for medical sciences. You will practice using medical vocabulary, interpret authentic materials, and engage in tasks such as note-taking, report writing, and simulated conversations. Our goal is to create a supportive and interactive learning environment where you can actively participate, collaborate with peers, and develop real-world communication skills. Let's get started. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. We are here to support you every step of the way. Key modules and focus areas. 1. Introduction to English for Medical Sciences, purpose and scope of language functions in healthcare settings. 2. Medical vocabulary and communication, terminology for anatomy, procedures, and symptoms, patient interaction, and ethical communication. 3. Listening and speaking skills, listening to medical dialogues and instructions, role-playing consultations, handovers, and emergencies. 4. Reading and writing for medical purposes, reading charts, research abstracts, and patient reports, writing progress notes, discharge summaries, and case studies. 5. Scoring system. Before we proceed with the core content of our course, I'd like to explain the scoring system we will be using in English for Medical Sciences. This system will help you understand how your performance is evaluated throughout the semester. The grading scale is as follows. A, 78 and above, reflects excellent performance and a strong grasp of the subject. B, 67 to 77, indicates a good understanding and solid work. C, 55 to 66, represents a fair or satisfactory level of understanding. D, 40 to 54, signifies that improvement is needed as minimum expectations have not been met. E, 39 and below, indicates that the student has not met the learning objectives and may need to retake the course. Please keep this grading scheme in mind as you complete assignments, quizzes, and other assessments throughout the course. If you have any questions about how your performance will be calculated, feel free to ask. Attendance policy. To ensure fairness and punctuality, we have the following attendance policy. Students who arrive more than 15 minutes late will not be marked present for the class. Class captain responsibilities. The class captain will be responsible for taking attendance and reporting it to the instructor at the end of each class. Preparing teaching and learning facilities, including pointers, markers, audio-visual materials, other necessary equipment. Hello everyone, I'm Pak Budi. I am a dedicated educator with a passion for teaching English, and I hold a strong foundation in English education, having graduated from the English Education Department at Sanata Dharma University in Yogyakarta. My educational journey has been enriched by research experiences at Ohio State University in the USA and Bell School in Saffron Walden, England. Additionally, I pursued a graduate program in TESOL, teaching English to speakers of other languages, at the University of London Institute of Education from 1993 to 1994. Which significantly broadened my expertise in language teaching. My teaching career has been diverse and fulfilling. I previously taught at the Faculty of Language and Arts at Soegija Pranata Catholic University in Semarang before retiring 7 years ago. Since then, I have focused on teaching English for specific purposes, ESP, to students in health-related fields, including agricultural technology radiology, optometry, nursing, public health, medical informatics, and electromedical engineering, across 4 universities and colleges.
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.